Something great. Welcome to all of you to Marva Studios. We've been working on the art promotion for almost now 25 years. Whether it's been films, television, media, painting, sculpture, writing, or any other creative art. This is what we have always believed in. You are sitting here right now. This is a place called Marva Studios, and luckily I'm thankful to all my patrons, my parents, and Almighty for bringing this name to world fame. And luckily now we are on the world map of cinema. Noida Film City started way back in 1986 when I designed this film city, and people declared me half mad. They thought Film City is not meant for North India, but I was dead sure that things can definitely move if you have strong determination. 87, this whole project got its clearance. 88, we were allotted the land and there were no takers. I had to move around to Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras to request people to please come and join me in Film City, because government is not going to give me 100 acres of land alone. We maybe have a capitalistic attitude, but we still have a socialistic thinking. And thank God people listened to me and I brought in few people to this place. In total now we are 16 studios in 100-acre complex, 25 acres indoor, 75 acres outdoor, and I feel proud because people have started calling me founder of Noida Film City. Well, thank you very much. Thank you. I'm very happy because Noida Film City now is the fastest growing film city in the world. This is all for your information. 100 acres, 25 acres indoor, 75 acres outdoor, 16 studios, 350 channels being broadcast to 162 countries 24/7 from this place, 37 film studios like this, and 17,000 people got employment who are working here in Film City in 3 shifts. तो मैंने भारत सरकार को बोला कि आप चाहें तो सिर्फ इसी पे ही मुझे पद्मश्री दे सकते हैं. Doesn't matter. Luckily, I have created 5 world records in media. There are only 2 people in India who have created 5 world records. One, Sachin Tendulkar in cricket, and luckily I am in media. This is half of the record. When I complete this record, Marva Studio also got established in Film City. Out of this Marva Studios, we have churned out 4,500 television programs for more than 50 channels. Z, Sahara, Mahua, Pragya, ETV, Star News, NDTV, they all are born from Marva Studios. God has been very kind. And all together, Noida Film City and Marva Studios were together. This is, so far I have only spoken about first world record. Luckily, we started an institution called Asian Academy of Film and Television because we realized that all that which is coming up here will go waste if there is no manpower to work in these studios. And I'm happy that in a span of 22 years of our institution, which is called Asian Academy of Film and Television, and of course allied and associated institution, we have churned out 12,000 media professionals hailing from 30 states, 5 union territories of India, and 94 countries of the world. We are #1 in India as far as foreign enrollment is concerned. the three institutions which are called Pride of India, IIMs, IIT and AAFT, where you are sitting right now. And all together we have designed 45 different media courses from 3 months to 3 years, from certificate to degree, a master degree. And that has become another world record for us. It's very difficult to digest because 5 world records is too big a story to narrate. We've spent more than 30 years in developing media, film, television activities in North India. And we have given 9 festivals to the nation, and the biggest festival is called Global Film Festival. The 7th edition is right on the corner. But out of all these 9-10 festivals, what we have given to the world and to the country, the best one is Asian Academy of Film and Television. It's called AAFT, Festival of Short Digital Films, and we are preparing for the 84th edition. The only festival in the world which has touched 84th edition. You can check everything in Google actually and recheck what I'm talking also. And this is the only festival which is touching 84th edition, only festival which happens 4 times in a year, only festival which has given a wonderful opportunity to 2,000 directors from 60 countries of the world to showcase their debut film. वरना दुनिया में बड़े से बड़ा फेस्टिवल जो है वो 1 या 2 डायरेक्टर को अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है फेस्टिवल में अपनी फिल्म दिखाने की। हम लोगों ने 2000 से भी ज़्यादा डायरेक्टर्स को मौका दिया कि वो यहाँ कर अपनी फिल्म शोज में, फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में अपना मौका दें और फिल्मों को अप्रिशिएट करवाएं एंड सो ऑन। Luckily we have also created one wonderful record for sports. First time in sports and cinema we could create another record, and this time I'm talking about Commonwealth Games, 19th Commonwealth Games. People were criticizing 19th Commonwealth Games, but we took the best advantage because it was the biggest event of the country so far in 67 years. And what we did, right from Wagah border to Nehru Stadium, we covered 28 states and 5 union territories of India, 20,000 kilometers, clicked 10,000 pictures, made 1,000 hours of film, 102 short films, we made 102 radio programs and 102 days for daily broadcasting and telecasting. The whole world, if they were watching Commonwealth Games on the television, it was only because of Marva Studios. That was a kind of a contract we begged from Government of India. There were only 2 vans which were working, one Doordarshan for their 24 channels and one Marva Studios PCR van for rest of the world. That 102 days, 102 films were showcased to the whole world. We had 900 people were selected to run with the baton, with the Queen's baton, and I got one wonderful opportunity to run from Jaipur to Delhi with the baton, and all together. And on the opening day, the 3 minutes opening fill on 19th Commonwealth Game was also actually prepared by Marva Studios. So all together, it has become one world record, sports and cinema. Yes. Well, we have Asian Academy of Arts, which is a very prominent and very active organization of Marva Studios. We have, in total, if you ask me, events. We believe in events because there is no news without events, fortunately or unfortunately. And in total, this is probably now the 3,200th event of Marva Studios in the last 25 years, and maybe the 60th or 70th art exhibition. And I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to Aruna Sethi. I'm so thankful to Vikram Sethi for this time collaborating with Marva Studios and this time bringing 5 very important artists to Marva Studios, which is another feather in the cap of Marva Studios. And I'm so thankful to all of you for coming here and appreciating this wonderful art, which you're going to do it obviously once I finish with talking, which is slightly longer than my routine talking to people. I'm very happy that we have with us Ruchi Shah. May I request Ruchi Shah to please join us on this side. Big clap for Ruchi. We have with us Govind Sirsat from Mumbai again. We have Kamini Baghel from Jhansi. We have with us Geeta Ramesh from Bangalore. And we have with us Satwant Sehan from Delhi. So whatever the work of arts you are looking here on the walls of Marva Studios, they are actually done by these very important people of the nation, curated by no other than Vikram Sethi. Big clap for Vikram Sethi. We've tried to add on another interesting program this evening, and I'm very happy that one very well-known, a renowned artist from Bollywood, Salman, is right here, who's going to present some wonderful Sufi numbers for all of you today.
I'm Satwant Sehan from Delhi. This is my art. It's all my photographies. All are theme oriented. Mostly I have done my work in Bangalore, and I'm Artist of the Month over there. Their Third Eye Gallery. I work for them, and I have done an exhibition in Chitrakala Parishad under that gallery, Third Eye.
I'm from Bombay, and I work mostly in print and drawings, and my work kind of represents the process of meditation that a person or human being goes through. And yeah, I think I just want all the viewers to enjoy, like when they see my work, like, and go through the same process. So yeah.
मैं झांसी से हूँ, और झांसी की सौर गाथा तो आप लोगों ने सुनी होगी। रानी लक्ष्मीबाई के शहर से हूँ, जिसका नाम लेते ही हमारे रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, उनकी वीर गाथाएं हमें याद हो जाती है। तो मेरा काम है, ये जो सामने आपने देखा है फ्रंट में, मेरा काम है।
मैम गोविंद सिरसाट है, मैं JG स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट का स्टूडेंट हूँ, 2007 का मैं पास आउट हूँ, और राइट नाउ वर्किंग ऑन द पीस। These are my work.
These 4 paintings and the 4 on that wall are mine. I don't give any message through my paintings. There is no message that I want to convey to viewers. I want each of you to take your think and take your own message from that. And I use very simple things that surrounds me in everyday life. I find beauty in the very simple things, like they can be worms, trees, leaves, oats. I take the simple things and I try to compose my paintings.
I request Vikram Sethi to speak few words.
Yeah. First of all, I want to thank all of you for being here, and thank Mr. Marva for giving us the opportunity of promoting these wonderful Navsikhs artists. And I would like now to tell you all that each of the walls have a different artist's work. Starting from right behind me is Kamini Baghel's work. You will see it later as the program proceeds. And then we have the work here of Geeta Ramasai, this wall and that wall. And then we have Satwantji's works here. And we have the works of Stanley of Australia and that wall. And Govind's work, Sirsat's work is hanging. That's a social message which we'll explain to you later. And then we have works of Ruchi Shah on the back wall there below. So I want to thank all of you for being here and making this special occasion. Our kind request Mr. Marva now to inaugurate, to light the diya.
Inaugurate to आप सब
and all the artists please.
अच्छा लगा, देश भर से आर्टिस्ट यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, कलकत्ता, मद्रास, बेंगलोर, झांसी, सभी जगह से। ऑस्ट्रेलिया वो तो देश से बाहर निकल गए। तो मुझे 2 लाइनें याद आ गई कि जिस ओर चले हम मस्ती में, झुक जाए उधर अंबर भूतल, आजाद वतन के वाशिंदे, हर गीत हमारा है बादल, विविध प्रांत है अपनी अपनी भाषा के अभिमानी हम, लेकिन सबसे पहले दुनिया वालों हिंदुस्तानी। पेंटिंग जो है वो बड़ा पैशनेट काम है, फिल्मों की तरह। जिस तरह हम लोगों को फिल्मों के लिए पैशन है, इसी तरह पेंटर को अपनी पेंटिंग के लिए पैशन होता है। और मैं उन्हीं सभी पैशनेट लोगों के लिए ये, और कुछ संगीत, ये भी उससे भी बड़ा पैशन है कि राज़े उल्फत छुपा के देख लिया, ये सभी आर्टिस्ट के लिए है कि राज़े उल्फत छुपा के देख लिया, दिल बहुत कुछ जला के देख लिया, और क्या देखने को बाकी है, आपसे दिल लगा के देख लिया। आइए सुनते हैं सलमान खान।
It's a very special welcome song for all of you. So here goes. केसरिया बालमा वो जी पधारो नी मारे देश रे पधारो नी मारे देश केसरिया It's a very, 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 very old song. It's kind of a version, so hope you like it. Zindagi kaisi hai paheli, Zindagi kaisi hai paheli, kabhi to hasaye, kabhi पीछे पीछे सपनों के भागे, कभी देखे मन नहीं जागे, पीछे पीछे सपनों के भागे, एक दिन सपनों का राही चला जाए सपनों के आगे कहाँ। नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी, कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। थामा न रोका इसको किसने, है ये तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी। ला 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 जिसने किया वो हमें भी हंसा, पल में हंसाए और पल में रुलाए कहानी। ख्वाजा जी ख्वाजा, ख्वाजा जी
जाने जा बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, तो लुट जाएंगे ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। नी रे गा मा दा नी सा नी दा बा मा गा मा दा नी मा दा मा pa da ma pa ga ma da pa ma ga re ga ma da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa ma re ga ma ga re ni re ga re sa ni da ni re ga re sa ni da ni re ga re sa ni da ni re ga re कितना मासूम रंगीन है ये समा कितना मासूम रंगीन है ये समा हुस्न और इश्क की आज महराज है हुस्न और इश्क की आज महराज है कल की किसको खबर जाने जा रोक लो इस हंसी रात को आज जाने
You guys can be a little louder.
आज जाने यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद
ये गाना मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है because I'm sure all of us have grown up listening to I'd say the best versatile vocalist ever born in this very country, that is the late Rafi Sahab. So it is my, I'd say, a little tribute to him, so hope you like it.
La 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 ये देख के दिल झूमा ली प्यार ने अंगड़ाई दीवाना हुआ बादल सावन की घटा छाई ये देख के दिल झूमा ली प्यार ने अंगड़ाई दीवाना हुआ बादल ऐसी तो मेरी तकदीर न थी तुम सा जो कोई महबूब मिले ऐसी तो मेरी तकदीर न थी तुम सा जो कोई महबूब मिले दिल आज खुशी से पागल है दिल आज मुझे से पागल है मैं जाने वफा तुम खूब बरसों से खिजा का मौसम था, बरसों से खिजा का मौसम था, वीरान पड़ी दुनिया थी मेरी, वीरान पड़ी दुनिया थी मेरी, हाथों में तेरा चल आया के बहार आई, ये देख के दिल झूमा, ली प्यार ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल,
Thank you so much, all of you. God bless you all. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है कहीं जो है सुनी वो बात क्या है बता, मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मितवा जिवे रुक के आसी तुम जरा नहीं बोलने आवे सारी उम्र, जिवे अक्की अक्के अक्का चुरा रोवेगा सानू याद कर, हसिया हसी हसा जी पर तू नहीं सी हसिया, दिल विच तेरे जो राज सी मैनू तू क्यों नहीं दसिया, कि तेरे बिन होर ना किसे मंगनी मेरिया बला, तेरे बिन होर ना किसे करनी धुप विच छां, तेरे बिन सानू सोड़िया कोई हो नहीं लभना, जो देवे रूह नू सकून चुके जो नखरा मेरा, वे सारे घूमके वेखिया अमेरिका रूस मलेशिया, हर किते नी कोई फर्क सी, हर किते नी कोई शरत सी, कोई मंगदा मेरी सी समा, कोई होता सूरत ते फिदा, कोई मंगदा मेरी सी वफा, कोई मंगदा मेरी आ भला, के तेरे बिन सानू एहरा किसे और दसना, तेरे बिन पीड़ दा इलाज किसे वे कौन लभना, तेरे बिन सानू सोड़िया कोई हो नहीं लभना, जो देवे रूह नू सकून चुके जो नखरा मेरा, thank you so much. कभी कहीं हाँ कहीं तारों से आगे कहीं, साथ तू चलना मेरे थम के बाहें मेरी, कभी कहीं हाँ कहीं तारों से आगे कहीं, साथ तू चलना मेरे थम के बाहें मेरी, रास्ते नजर आएंगे हम पतंग डोर बन जाएंगे, ढूंढने पंछियों की गली कहीं दूर निकल जाएंगे, कभी कहीं हाँ कहीं तारों से आगे कहीं, साथी तू चलना मेरे हम के बाहें मेरी, रास्ते नजर आएंगे पतंग डोरे बन जाएंगे, ढूंढने पंछियों की गली, कहीं दूर निकल जाएंगे। बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आके तुझे समझ आए, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना। मिलके भी हम ना मिलेंगे, तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों के है फासले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने है सिलसिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों सपने हैं पलकों तले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों। कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा, बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की देखो जो बातें आके तुझे समझ आए, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना। तुमसे हूँ बहू हो, जाने तेरी आँखें थी या बातें थी वजह, हुई तुम जो दिल की आरज़ू। अफसोस होता है दिल भी रोता है, सपने संजोता है पगला हुआ सोचे हम थे मिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों के है फासले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने है सिलसिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों सपने हैं पलकों तले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों। कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा, बता ना पाए बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आगे तुझे समझ आए, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना। ख्यालों में लाखों बातें यूं तो कह गया, बोला कुछ न तेरे सामने, हुए ना बेगाने भी तुम होगे यार के, देखो तुम न मेरे ही बने, तुम पास होके भी तुम आस होके भी, एहसास होके भी अपने नहीं सोचे हम थे मिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों के है फासले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों। कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा, बता ना पाए फिर बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आके तुझे समझ आए, तू जानना, तू जानना। Well, a big thank you to all of you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां अपने लिए. And a huge applause from Mr. Marwa there. Sir, please, 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 I want you on the stage. Come on up. No, please, please, please. एक बार सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, please.
मैं ताली आपके लिए बजवाने आया हूँ. Let's give him a big round of applause for a wonderful evening you have given to us, my dear friends. Great. And I'm so happy, I'm feeling so proud because everyone here, they are praising you. आपके लिए दो लाइनें याद आ रही कि हम तेरे हो चुके हैं जब चाहे आज़मा ले, नजरें तो मिल चुकी हैं अब दिल से दिल मिला ले। ऐ शम्मा तेरी खातिर परवाना बन गया हूँ, जरा देख ले आकर दीवाना बन गया हूँ, सजदे में गिर गया हूँ अब तो जरा उठा ले, हम तेरे हो चुके हैं जब चाहे आज़मा ले।
Salman, you sang very well, and your group is Bhuvan, Raman, your brother, it's amazing. It had us mesmerized, and it was a fascinating experience to have this wonderful audience receptive to your music. So now I'd like to thank everybody out here being here, and Mr. Marwa ji for being so kind to support us, the artists, the curator.